Good morning, everyone. My name is Deepak Chauhan from Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. Today we have discussed about the syllabus of mathematics of BTech first year, second semester AAS 203B. Their subject name is Multivariable Calculus and Numerical Method. There are 4 credit of course. Now, course objective: develop the ability to solve ordinary differential equation arise in engineering application. Introduce Laplace transformation technique for the solving differential equation and analyze engineering system. Build a understanding of sequence and infinite series for coverage analysis in mathematical modeling. Develop concept of complex variable function analysis and conformal properties of engineering analysis. Apply the complex integration and reduce residue theory to invoke evaluate integral and solve engineering problem. Now proceed for unit 1. Have differential equation. In differential equation we have learned the linear differential equation in of n order with constant coefficient, Cauchy-Euler theorem, Cauchy-Euler equation, solution for second order linear differential equation with variable constant by the method of variation of parameters, change of independent variable, normal form. Their application is spring mass damper, system modeling, heat conductor machine component, mechanical control system modeling. Now the second unit of this mathematics has Laplace transform. In Laplace transform have definition of Laplace transform, is condition, linearity property, Laplace transform of some standard function, one and second shifting theorem. इसका कोई प्रूफ नहीं है, अच्छी बात है. Change of scale property, Laplace transform of divergence and integral, periodic function, unit step function, inverse Laplace transform, partial fraction method, convolution theorem without proof. ये भी अच्छी बात है. Convolution theorem, application of Laplace transform to solve the ordinary differential equation. Their application is transient response analysis of mechanical system, modeling a variation and damping system, dynamic response of suspension system. Now unit 3 is sequence and series. Sequence and series are very important in mathematics, and their definition of sequence: monotonic sequence, convergence and divergence sequence, Cauchy sequence, necessary condition for convergence, test of convergence, comparison test, ratio test, Rabi test, algorithmic test. Their application is convergence analysis of iterative engineering algorithm, computation fluid dynamic CFD, simulation, numerical solution of engineering equation. Now proceed from unit 4 is complex variable differentiation. In complex variable differentiation we have learned the function of complex variable, limit of continuity and differentiability, analytical function, Cauchy-Riemann equation, Cartesian in polar form, harmonic function, Miles-Thomson method for constructing an analytic function. Now their application is two-dimensional fluid flow analysis, stress analysis in elasticity. Now unit 5 is complex variable integration. In complex variable integration we have learned the complex integral, Cauchy integral theorem without proof, Cauchy integral formula without proof, Taylor series and Lagrange series, singularities, residue of function, Cauchy residue theorem, evaluation of for the real definition integral. Their application is innovation of contour integral in fluid mechanics, frequency response analysis in mechanical vibration and control system. This